Joe from howtoformanllc.org, and today we are going to form an LLC in the state of Kentucky. Now, the first step in filing an LLC, before we can actually get started with these instructions, the number one reason why an LLC will get rejected in Kentucky is because someone will register a name that is already registered. So the first thing that you want to do is click on this Kentucky LLC Search. And what this will do is let you search the Kentucky state's records for any businesses that might have the same name as yours. So, for example, while this loads, if you're looking for the name, say, Real Estate Idaho LLC, you just type in Real Estate Idaho, hit continue. And there are no matches, no results. So that means that our name, Real Estate Idaho, is available. So what we'll do is just click back, and hopefully it'll let us go back, and we can start on the first step for a paper filing. Some states have online filings. Right now, Kentucky only has a paper, which is fine because they're very, very cheap. If we look ahead to the next step, they're only $40. To file. So we'll click this, Kentucky Articles of Organization. And this is the actual form from the state. And while it loads, it's a fill-in-the-blanks form that's an Adobe PDF. And so, as you can see, there's the logo for it. This is all from the state of Kentucky. And so you'll just start right here. The name of the limited liability company is, and you just write in Real Estate LLC, or we said Idaho, or I'm sorry, Kentucky LLC. The street address of the registered office, you just type that in here. And the name of the registered agent at that office. Now, what you have to know about registered agent is that with an LLC, you have a representative. Now, it can be the owner, but the LLC, the state gives you the right to have a representative that's called a registered agent. Now, again, it doesn't have to exactly be the owner. It can be. Most of the time, if you look up other LLCs, you'll see attorneys be the registered agent. You'll see accountants be the registered agent. It's basically where the person's going to get legal notice of anything. So when the state asks to re-up every year on the filing fees, they're going to send it to this person in this address. Or if you get contacted legally for anything, they'll be going after this address. So you want to make sure that this is just as correct as anything else that's on here. You don't want to overlook it. The mailing address for the limited liabilities principal office. Principal office is just headquarters. You want to write that in here. The limited liability company is to be managed by a manager. If you are the owner and you're going to have someone else manage the LLC, you want to click this. But if you are the owner and you are going to be managing it, you want to click this. I would assume that if you're just starting your own LLC, most of the time you're going to hit B. It's members, because in the land of LLCs, members mean owners. Owners are members. So then we get down here to the date. What is the date the effective date that your business will be doing business? So operating business. So usually don't want to do anything more than a month ahead. On that, signature of organizer. An organizer is you, so you'll be printing your name, your title, date. Your registered agent is going to have to print the name and date it. Whether if it's your attorney, accountant, you got to get their signature. But if it's you, you just sign right here. And this is the state's filing instructions, which are probably filled with legal jargon that you don't understand. But the filing fee is $40, and you're going to mail it to this address right here. Not the office location, this mailing address right here. So that's it. That's how you form an LLC in the state of Kentucky.